Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Epson XP 640 series printer, and now in this video I'll show you how to enable auto printhead alignment feature on this printer. So firstly, you just need to open the settings, then find here maintenance and scroll down, find here printhead alignment, click OK and choose the option vertical alignment or horizontal alignment. I will use vertical, so load A4 size paper, plain paper, normal paper to print cassette number 2. So here, as you can see, we have cassette number 1, and here we have the cassette number 2. So load the paper in the cassette number 2 and close this all, and then click print. But unfortunately I have not the cartridges, so I have low in cartridges black color for black printing, for black for color printing, black color for color printing, and cyan, so blue color. So unfortunately I can't do it, but if you have the normal inks, so you will be able to align your printheads. That's it, thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.